Welcome to Master Technical Drawing. In this section, we begin our study of the construction of angles. An angle is formed when two rays share a common endpoint. That common endpoint is called the vertex, and the angle is the amount of turn, or opening, between the two rays. Angles are fundamental to geometry, engineering, architecture, design, and construction. They define direction, alignment, shape, slope, and the relationship between lines and surfaces. In these lessons, we construct angles geometrically, using the engineering compass, the aim ruler, the T-square, and the pencil. The protractor is used only to check that a finished construction is accurate. We begin with two fundamental standard angle constructions, 90 degrees and 60 degrees. From these two foundation angles, other useful angles are developed through geometric bisection. The 90-degree angle establishes the fundamental perpendicular. By bisecting 90 degrees, we obtain 45 degrees. And by bisecting 45 degrees again, we obtain 22.5 degrees. The 60-degree angle provides another important standard construction. Bisecting 60 degrees gives us 30 degrees. Bisecting 30 degrees gives us 15 degrees. And bisecting 15 degrees once more gives us 7.5 degrees. These standard angles are related through geometric bisection. Once a major angle is established, the smaller ones develop from it accurately. Standard angles can also be combined to produce many other required angles. 112.5 is 90 plus 22.5. 120 is 90 plus 30. 105 is 90 plus 15. And 97.5 is 90 plus 7.5. These principles come together in complete geometrical constructions. In our final application, we combine standard angles with given side lengths to construct an irregular hexagon. In the lessons ahead, we construct each standard angle carefully, step by step, and then apply them to complete geometrical problems. We begin with one of the most fundamental constructions, the 90-degree perpendicular.